Great to have you back, and still at the Canton Fair here in Guangzhou. Lots of different product ideas everywhere. Today we've had a client negotiate a deal, which is fantastic. They've placed an order with the supplier, which is great to hear. I've actually negotiated a few deals myself, which is awesome. Lots of really good products here, really interesting products I've never even personally seen before, and just nuts. You can buy stuff here for a couple of bucks. Some of them are selling on Amazon for $69, $79, like over $100, and you might be buying it for $2, $3. Might be one person selling that product on Amazon Australia. Just very, very low competition on some of the products. There's a product we saw was about $3, and no one's selling it on Amazon Australia. Sells for about $98. Not a single person. You can buy, I think it's about 50 units. Like, that's just crazy. And there's products, an abundance here, an abundance of product ideas. Like just crazy. Let me just share. I'll share it with you. So just really lots of different products. So we're over here on a bit of a product finding hunt, and just looking for new stuff, products that we haven't seen before. I mean, I'm doing listings with the team even while we're over here. We're launching products on Amazon, US and Australia while we're over here. We're going out for dinner tonight. We're going out dim sims. So when you join us, we went out last night to a beautiful restaurant. We went out the night before to a beautiful buffet, which was beautiful. So now we've got an organized tour picking us up and taking us to dim sums, and then we're going to go shopping. So we've got a private bus picking us up just for our group. We organize it all if you ever wanted to come over, but this is it's just insane. A massive amount of product ideas. Basically, just by coming here, just by opening up your eyes to some of these products. I might go down here. Now, hey, if you're looking for help in either launching products, finding suppliers, finding products, maybe you're unsure about what to sell, reach out to us. That's my company there, AMZ Product Launcher, and we can have a chat, find out a little bit more about what you're doing, what you want to sell, and then we can find out whether or not selling on Amazon's for you. It might not be for you. We can look at some product ideas. We can find out some suppliers. Yeah, we sort of help with pretty much most of that anyway, and we can even launch a product on Amazon for you as well. But yeah, hey, have a great one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk soon.
In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to walk you through how to get something started on Amazon. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do if you are wanting to sell on Amazon and you're based in Australia or New Zealand. Now, number one is find small, lightweight, simple products like these, all right? A lot of those products are out there. They exist. They're very small. They're simple. There's no batteries. They're lightweight. Doesn't cost a lot of money to ship, and very easy to maneuver, all right? You want to find these products. The second step is to find a good supplier. You can find these products on quite easily from overseas suppliers, very cheaply. And the next step is to ship it to Amazon warehouses. There's warehouses based all around Australia. In fact, they're building another one here in Sydney where I'm based. They're actually all around the world, and a lot of them are based in America. Guys, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're a beginner and you've never done this before, I put together an exclusive training. So this training, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. We actually walk you through 10 products that are selling really well right now. These 10 products, I will walk you through what to look for, the next steps that you need to take, and I'm going to assume that you are a beginner, that you've never done any of this sort of stuff before. I'm going to assume all of that, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do next if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, okay? So guys, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to work with you. If you're looking for help, in fact, launching your first product on Amazon, I can even help you list and launch your first product on Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA, all right? So guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years, helping people find products and launch them on sites like Amazon, all right? We've worked with a lot of students, different levels of experience. Some people are 19 years old, some people are even 80 years old. We've helped people even 80 years old launch their product on sites like Amazon. So it doesn't matter about your experience, it doesn't matter whether you've done this before, it doesn't even matter whether or not you've even sold anything before online. Anyone can do this. Around this video there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you on this training. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye bye for now. See you later.